Hello everybody, this tutorial is about transforming coordinate system in PC-DMIS because sometimes you can get part like this. It's the origin is shifted somewhere into space, it's rotated in Y, Z and X axis as you can see here, and you want to transform in some cases in aerospace or automotive where you can't move or transform the coordinate system, but mostly if it's not forbidden, you can choose your coordinate system as you want. So this is recommended to do if it's not forbidden. Anyway, we want to get from this state to this coordinate system, so we want to get the coordinate system to this assembly on machine. So this is that we want to get into. Let's do it. We will start from the beginning. So choose any probe you can. It's okay to choose anything, it doesn't matter. So after importing your step file, it's some simple part. It's randomly rotated and shifted like this. So yeah, from the beginning you can insert machine for better understanding. You can of course choose something different. This is the machine what I use. Apply and OK. If you want to see more videos like this, you can hit the subscribe button. We are preparing another video. So what to start with? I recommend you to start with the origin. So if you have some feature you want to translate the origin of coordinate system, go to Operation, Graphic Display Window and Transform. Here, of course, you can shift this coordinate system. You can press 10 in X-axis and apply. Part will move. But what we actually want to do is we want to select some feature. It can be in the center of the circle. You can press apply and here we are. What I want to do is to shift the origin to this corner. So again, I only press somewhere here close to this corner. It will automatically go there. Press OK and apply. It's actually machine is hiding the part. So what I can do is to delete machine. I can lightly come back. So from the beginning, I recommend you to change dimension settings number of decimal places to 6. Press OK. This is just for more accurate angles to be or values of angles to be rotated. We want to get this edge aligned with Z-axis. So we have to know this angle here. How to do this? Just press angle. Don't forget, if you are online, if you're programming online, don't forget to unclick this button. Yeah, this has to be unclicked like this. Press create and create. So we have two planes and we want to intersect them to get the 3D line. So now press plane 1, plane 2. Don't forget to press 3D button here and go create. So okay, we have line 1. Now we are looking directly into with direction of Y-axis. So press Y plus, get angle and line 1 to Z-axis. You can press also supplement angle. This is the approximately the angle we want to get. Create, copy this value into your clipboard and here we are. Operation, transform, yes. Now take care, or just be careful. Here you should select y-axis. This is the direction of our current view we want to rotate about, and here copy this value. If you press apply, this will align to z-axis, as you can see. Okay, remember, all these features are not aligned now because our part is shifted. So what we have to do is to delete these features and begin from the scratch. Again, we want to rotate in this view of x-axis, so we can choose x-axis and create two planes we want to intersect. Choose line and again 3D. So we have a line. So we want to get again the angle between this line. This is what we want to get. So press in 1 to z-axis and 7 is okay. Create, and again copy this value into your clipboard. Operation, graphic display window, transform. Okay, and now we are aligned in x-axis, so press X and insert. As you can see, the part is now aligned in this direction. Okay, so again delete these features, and the last rotation we are interested in is in around z-axis. So choose this to z plus or z minus, it doesn't matter. Press we want to measure now this angle. So again, it is the very simple. We will intersect those two planes. You can do it by corner points or just different features. I like to intersect planes. Okay, here we have line. Don't forget to press 3D line, create. We are already in Z plus axis view, and now we want to get angle between line 1 and Y axis. Press supplement angle, create. Copy this value again, and operation transform. We are rotating around Z axis. Apply. So this is it. Just to be sure we place the part correctly, I can again insert our machine here. I have a custom. Okay, so this is not the way I wanted to fix the part, so now it will be easy. I will delete these features again, and now the last few steps. So transform around y-axis. No, yes, it's like this. Around z-axis and around y-axis again 90. Yes, and the part is placed on my machine as I want it. So this is the way how you can transform any coordinate system which is not aligned with your machine. Of course, there can be more complicated parts which you want to translate or transform, but everything is possible if you create features, if you have some features that can be translated into correct access. So thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video useful. See you in next video.